everyone. We get a lot of questions over here at Luxe Architectural about caulking, so I thought we would do this little video to answer some of those questions and help demystify the process. Our favorite brand of caulking is Alex Plus by DAP. We've used this for years. It's available in a tube like this or a squeeze tube, which is great for smaller projects. What you're going to want to do, this is a little pro tip, cut the end of your tube at an angle so that when you're applying it, it'll be a smoother application. You want it to be a small cut that will save the amount of caulking that comes out. Then what you're going to need is a caulking gun like this. It has this little thingy, that's the technical term, and you're going to use that to break the seal. I like to use a little cup of water to wet my finger before I'm wiping down the caulking. It just helps the process go a little bit smoother. If you don't want to use your finger, you want to use a tool, something like this works just as well. A sponge for cleanup or a wet towel handy. All right, so let's get started. And it's as easy as that. You just take a wet sponge and clean up any residue, and that's it. It's super easy.